I wake up with Al.
Beginning July 20th on the Weather Channel, everyone will wake up with Al. And now, your local on the 8th.
Our local Doppler radar.
The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch alert for the Texas city of Brownsville and its nearby towns. People living in the following districts: Brownsville, Texas; Bayview, Texas; Combs, Texas; and Indian Lake, Texas. You have been advised to prepare to seek higher ground as soon as possible or seek refuge in a public building that can provide adequate shelter from a possible flood. Hurricane Alex is believed to be the cause of the flood, which has arrived from the Caribbean Sea and is sweeping the coast of Texas, which is believed to be heading to the northeastern coastlines of Mexico. Please be aware that driving conditions are treacherous during a flood and that it is wise to stop driving and seek higher ground and shelter immediately, as you may get caught and isolated in the flood, risking your safety. This flood watch alert will cease at 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a flood watch alert for the Texas city of Brownsville and its nearby towns. People living in the following districts: Brownsville, Texas; Bayview, Texas; Combs, Texas; and Indian Lake, Texas. You have been advised to prepare to seek higher ground as soon as possible or seek refuge in a public building that can provide adequate shelter from a possible flood. If your television is unavailable, please tune into your battery radio for more details on the possible flood.